everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Imbewu from the 28th of November to the 2nd of December 2022 on Monday. Mazulu fumes at Kanyo and Mzondile for not telling the family that Sakile was out of solitary. Meanwhile, the corrupt guard and Sakile agree on a plan to poison Zitulele. Later, Fikile is kidnapped by an unknown person on Tuesday. The family learns that Zitulele has been saved, but are deeply worried about his safety. Mazulu believes Mzondile is protecting Sakile by failing to identify the anonymous caller. Sakile is angry that his plan failed and that Mzondile is the one who betrayed him on Wednesday. Kanyo suggests to Mzondile that they elope. Shriya tells Nerupa that she is spying on Maharaj. Mandlovu speculates whether it's possible Ngcolosi is alive, and Phakade rejects this idea. Ngcolosi comes to take Fikile back away from the Bengus on Thursday. Kulego is missing Fikile badly and he goes to Msamo to find out where she could be. He resolved to contact her mother to find her. Fikile works hard to convince Ngcolosi that her loyalties no longer lie with the Bengus, but she is conflicted on Friday. Maharaj tells Shriya about his great plan for her to become CEO of Malutu. Fikile confronts Kulego about seeking out her mother and offers to do another DNA test. Ngcolosi arrives at the Bengus with Zitulele. Ngcolosi is alive. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.